I'll be there inside in Durban.
eGreyville Primary School.
Greyville Primary School.
All night prayer usuku.
All night prayer.
Ngizobe ngilana lapha eDurban.
I'll be with you there in Durban.
Awufika nje eDurban station.
When you get to Durban station,
uhamba 5 minutes.
only 5 minutes walk.
Ngasemahashini.
There by the horses.
Inkonzo.
It's a service.
Inkonzo.
It's a service
yokwembulwa.
to remove
Kwemvubu kumnyama.
of a dark blanket.
Ngicela uphathe umhlabathi.
Bring your soil.
Uphathe umquba sekhaya.
Bring your compost.
Unengane ephuza utshwala.
You've got a child drinking alcohol.
Baba kwakho usanxila.
Your father is still
Phathe
drinking.
impahla zakhe.
Bring his clothes.
Ingane yakhe ihlunga.
Your child is taking drugs.
Lapho eDurban.
There in Durban,
Abaphuma abantu bomashumi.
people come out of
Mlazi,
Mlazi,
Bizana,
Bizana,
Lamonti,
Lamonti,
Lindelane,
Lindelane,
ongabala mthini Tusuma,
Tusuma,
Elanda,
Elanda,
on that prayer.
all night prayer.
Ela ingane ephethe imoya,
Children with spirits of us,
abasimoni.
demons.
Ngizoba nenkonzo futhi yokulayita kwezibani.
I'll also have a service to light up
Wonke
candles.
umuntu
All
uyofika
people
athola ikhandlela.
must get a candle.
Wena osokukhona,
The one who's going to be there,
nginekhombo engilungisayo.
I have a combo that I'm
Uyisaleka
fixing.
njengamanje. Nginekhombo entsha.
There's a brand new combo
Kuthiwe mangilungise.
that I must fix.
Ayikaphumi njengamanje.
It hasn't come out yet.
Izophuma nekhombo.
This combo will come out.
Kunensipho
There is a soap
ehamba nezinye iwasho.
that goes with other materials.
Izobe ikhona lapho eDurban.
It's going to be there in Durban.
Izoqala ukuyikhipha eDurban.
I'll take it out in Durban.
Njengamanje ngibhizi ngayo uyayisebenza.
Right now, I'm busy working
Le
on
nsipho
it.
le
This soap,
uzogeza ngayo mntanami.
bath with it.
Uzovuleka izinto zakho.
Your things are gonna
Uzovuleka
open up.
umsebenzi.
Shops are
Uzothi
open up.
ngawuhlamba ngale nsipho.
When you bath with the soap
Nesiwasho.
and the
Uzofika
materials
sona.
that I'm going to give it to
Bese
you,
umphathele 350 rand.
350 rand.
Ngizokunikeza ikhombo
I'll give you a combo
ehamba neyiwasho nale
that
nsipho.
goes with the soap and the materials.
350 rand.
350
Bese
rand.
hamba uphumelela
Go
mntanami.
and succeed.
Awushaya ihlombe.
Clap your hands.
Lapha eDurban.
There in
Ngizobe
Durban,
ngithandazela
I'll be praying for
abadimoni.
demons.
Wena bathole ngawe wena mntanami.
They are making you carry bad
Awuphinde bathole
spirits.
ngawe
They
ekhaya.
are carrying bad spirits
Waza
with you.
umprofeti. Ngizoyikhipha lento abakufakayo.
Take out this thing.
Lapha eDurban.
There in Durban.
Kanti uma ngibuya lapho
When I come back from there,
eDurban
from Durban,
mhlaka 1 September May subonke
1st of May I'll be in Durban.
mhlaka 2 ngesabathe ekuseni
2nd of May,
ngithatha ama
Saturday,
111
I'll be taking
ngo
one.
10
10 o'clock a.m.
ngiyabuya nebutho lami
I'm coming back with my
sobe
soldiers.
sesila
We'll be here
esonto
on Sunday.
zobe ngiphethe lentebezo
I'll be having this
all
material.
amaqhawe
All our cows.
izobe ikhona Sunday
Sunday is going to
lentebezo
be
ehamba nensipho
the material going with the soap.
insipho enamandla
The soap with power.
phatha imbewu yakho
Bring your seed.
ngeSunday
On Sunday,
lebezayo
the next Sunday,
izobe ikhona la
the combo will
ebese
be
yasabalala
and then it goes all
zonke
over.
indawo lapho ekuzobe
All
ikhona
places
shaya
that
ihlombe kakhulu
clap your hands.